guys? Welcome to Vlogmas day number 17. This morning I slept in. It's now already 11 o'clock in the afternoon, and yeah, I pretty much needed it though because I've been like low on sleep for a while. So I'm pretty much just waking up and it's 11 o'clock in the afternoon, or it's still morning, right? It's like midday. Yeah, anyways. So, we got some laundry done. Ryan got called into work. He was supposed to be off today, but looks like he has to go to work, and so he left. And now I have to drive myself to work, which is upsetting because it was like a winter storm warning last night into all the way till tonight. So like overnight there was hardly anything really. I think there was probably like some like freezing rain that happened, and I guess Ryan left and he said that the roads are fine right now. Like he would slam on his brakes and there was no like ice that he could feel. But tonight is a different story, so making it to work will be fine. It's tonight, coming back home at 11:30 at night, when it's supposed to be freezing rain-ish, ice, and snow. So like 1 to 3 inches of snow. So I'm kind of scared about it because I hate driving in icy conditions. I'm so scared. So yeah, hopefully I survive tonight. Hopefully it's not as bad as they say. I'm really hoping. It wouldn't be a problem if I didn't live out in the country now, but I do. So now I have to deal with the roads out in the country, not like just in town like I used to. But so yeah, I'm really hoping it's not as bad as they say it's gonna be. I look really tired right now. I'm loving my bags. I'm loving it. Anyways, so yeah, I'm going to be uploading and uploading yesterday's video really quick, as well as eating breakfast at the same time, and then just getting myself ready for the day, getting lunch ready, and then heading to work because I work this weekend. At least I'm off Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, when normal people have to work, right? Yeah. So hopefully today will be okay. Because tomorrow when I work, I think it's supposed to be fine. Like, there's not supposed to be any snow or anything like that. It's just supposed to be cold but sunny out. So it's just tonight I have to worry about. So yeah. And maybe if Ryan doesn't have to work, he'll bring me to work tomorrow. I can have my own little limousine service. But anyway, yeah. So that's my life right now. Yes, last night we watched Suicide Squad and Batman, like number 7, I think. It's the one with like the mask, and the guy with the mask, and Anne Hathaway in it, which is like my favorite one. But yeah, so that's why I didn't really get to end the vlog very well. But yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do now because I'm starving. So I gotta get breakfast like now before I get hangry. Yeah. Alright, see you guys later. Alright y'all, so my internet is being a brat today, apparently. My Wi-Fi is not working. I've been trying to upload yesterday's video 3 times now. Finally, oh, it's been a pain. So the 3rd time, I'm finally uploading it. And in between, I had to get all ready for work and all that. And now, it finally uploaded. It's all good, right? Yeah, uploaded. But now it wants to do this and say, processing 0. Video is taking longer than expected. Your video will be processed as soon as possible. So I'm gonna hit publish. And I'm gonna have to go to work, and we'll see if it actually processes and goes through and is put live or not. I'm not sure what's gonna happen with it, but if it doesn't work, then I guess I'll just have to come back tonight when I get off work at 11 or 11:30 and try and make sure it publishes again or something. I have no idea. What is going on. I don't know if it's because of the weather outside. It's super cold and icy and like icing over. I don't know. But now it's doing this. So at least it's uploaded and it's on YouTube. So now hopefully it'll just process on its own or something. I don't know. But what you're gonna do, so I'm gonna hit publish, and then now I have to go to work because it's so exciting. So let's go to work. So my awesome friend stopped at my work and got me this Christmas gift. I think it's so cute. Hot chocolate, double chocolate, premium. I mean, she knows me so well. And these cute little mugs. This Christmas one. And this Christmas one. For Ryan and I. How sweet. And I know she watches my YouTube videos, so thank you so much, Emily. That was so nice. So nice of her. So yeah, this is the pretty present. This is what it looks like outside. See all the snow falling? Yep, that's pretty much my life right now. And I have to drive home in it. So that's awesome. I made it! I'm alive! The roads and the drifting snow was absolutely crazy though. Absolutely crazy. But we are home, alive and safe, and obviously we were just having a dance party. So we got home about the same time. It's nuts out there, guys. Nuts.
Okay, alright. We're gonna add it in. Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
I just got off work. I just went to Indianapolis and back today.
Two, right?
I don't know.
Only two, is it? How many spoons? Don't use some, Ryan.
You had 2 tablespoons. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Okay, now stir it.
It says with hot milk, but we're using hot water, so we're just gonna see what it's gonna be like. It's very dark.
Okay, taste it. Taste it.
More cocoa.
More cocoa?
Yeah. 2 is not enough.
So I'm gonna sit down, or we are gonna sit down and have some yummy hot cocoa and watch Mickey's Very Merry Christmas. So yeah, that's exciting. So Ryan got his and I have mine in this beautiful cup from Emily. And yeah, that's about it. So now we're gonna watch some Mickey Christmas movie stuff. So, peace. So I'm gonna end this vlog and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.